Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, or if you're new here, please like and subscribe for the latest news in the world of Bath and Body Works. In this video, I would like to share what I got for the Bath and Body Works weekend sale. $10 off 3 wick candles and buy 3, get 3. So let's jump in. I picked up a vanilla pumpkin marshmallow 3 wick candle with the new packaging, and let me just say that online the packaging looked a little dated to me, but in person it's really cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like the reflective metallic gold trim and little pumpkins and the orange. It's just adorable, and the wax is this yellow color. And let me read you the scent description. Tahitian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, drizzled caramel with essential oils. And this candle, this scent is everything to me. I need this in body care. Bath and Body Works, if you're listening, please do this one in body care because I love it. I actually did a review of this candle, and I will link that for you to check out if you haven't seen that already. And next I picked up a cozy cashmere candle, and it is this like cream colored wax, and the the scent description is smooth lavender, warm vanilla, comforting sandalwood, and this one is so, it's like perfumey, powdery, but you get the vanilla and like there's a sweetness to it. I really like this candle. I have been waiting to get this in the room spray, but all of my stores are completely sold out of the room spray, so I haven't been able to get that yet. But I also did a review on this candle as well, and I love that one. And next I picked up a pumpkin cupcake. Yay, I was so excited because the last time I went to my store they didn't have this one. I picked up the room spray, so now I've got the candle, and once again really adorable packaging. I love it. It's so cute, and the wax is this pink color. And let me read you the scent description for this. Whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake. It smells buttery and sweet. Buttery, sweet, vanilla with a hint of breadiness. Yeah, this smells like a cupcake. The pumpkin may be there. I'm going to have to burn this to really tell. I think I smell a hint of pumpkin. Yeah, I smell pumpkin. So, very excited about that. Then I picked up another champagne toast because I love this one in body care. The wax is this cream color. And scent description is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. And this does smell like champagne with a hint of like orange zestiness. I really like this in the body care, so I wanted to pick up another candle. Now on to the buy 3, get 3. Oh no, wait, I've got one more thing to show you. I picked up a candle pedestal. This is what it looks like. This was not on sale. I got this for $15.95, but very pretty. Let's see what the candle looks like in there. Oh, I adore it. How lovely is that? It's going to look so beautiful on my dresser. So excited about that. So now on to the buy 3, get 3. So I picked up a little bit more Sunset Glow. I got a fragrance mist and a glowtion. So let me read you the scent notes. A glowing blend of sparkling cherry seltzer, coconut, and moonflower. And with this one, you definitely get the cherry is very bright, very sugary. But like the coconut smooths it out. It's really nice. If you like cherry scents, this is worth giving a try. It's really nice. I like that. Then I also picked up another warm vanilla sugar fragrance mist. And this is just what it says. Warm vanilla, sugary, with, I think there's jasmine in this, and it does smell like a perfumey vanilla. You mainly get like bakery, sugar, vanilla, but there is just a hint of perfuminess in the background. Very nice. And next I picked up I got two of these. Sugared Cherry Crisp from the Farmhouse Cafe collection. And this is cherry graham cracker crust. Oh, it's so nice. I love this. I love this so much. And then I picked up another strawberry pound cake fragrance mist. And I love this one. It's strawberries, sugary, but it smells more like strawberry cheesecake in my opinion. So another sale, that's what I have for you. Comment and let me know what you were able to pick up or what you're going to pick up if you haven't had a chance to make it there yet. I love to know that you guys stopped by my channel, and thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I will see you in my next video, and stay blessed.